America krani eyade anipa dodo no a eka sesenkebeya enhyehyeye a eda adesua ho ebeya enke ensisem na me wo hodwumedie so enne yetu kwan akohwe ekwan a ne yefa so a ne yesua de ewo mem yejawa ye hawo fe ocheme shira shidani ameko ke hawo se wo hwe ya desua enhyehyeye a eyade a etwa ne ho a efi bra omen enya afa hodi Owura Felix Esahia no oye kyerɛkyerɛ ni mapa na wakwawere ewo adesua ene ehon hyehyɛnsɛm ansa ye ba behu dia enne ye frɛ ni JHS system anase junior high school system no na eyade a ye ko school emfi edunson esua dia afi ntɔtɔfre wa brem kopem sɛ ye bepiem edi nkunim na yakotoa so ewo esuapon
because we go and we became Ghana no ye educational system nankasa no especially pre-tertiary education. We have gone through your core system, your experiments be free. And then you say, near educational system, a big general who year my near say, when you between the and so say, this is the permanent educational system we want to have for a nation, particularly pre-tertiary education. Anti educational history in 1951. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, at that time he was leader of government business. Only me say, yeah, pefa hundie inti. No me say by all means no, a struggle no, a year doing pen ponsunti. Or establish near friend Accelerated Development Plan of Education (ADP) in 1951. Na sabre no, oma ye schools, in a secondary schools and basic schools be brave. If he say. He knew, no, him say, we have to take over from them. Those days, you know, we were middle school, you can get a job. You can get an administrative job. Now we were secondary school, so now and it was almost the ultimate because now university here, so I break na University of Ghana, 48 now, University of Ghana now. In Tina just said, the focus was to make sure, say, the schools be free. Into this Accelerated Development Plan of Education by.
Emri ena ne yesei ewo bra na yemfa esuapon adesua enka Owura Samuel Ofori Ejei oye headmaster ewo Accra Academy Senior High School ewo Enkran Pumpuni Mantem ono nso ede yemfa mu dia efa adesua ensem
samre no na udi emfie num ekomfie nsia oko efitiase school a profokasem ye kana primary school obegwa kodi emfie nsia wo honom ofi honom a na wo ko emfie ni e friend middle school a kane no owi a ye friend san 7 eno e emfie 9 enti wodi emfie nsia e de ka emfie 9 no ho a emfitiase school na ye emfie du owi eno a wo konto aso school a hodo be mi no komiensa ba ko ye ni e friend secondary school enu yemfie num ebi ko technical school na yemfie 9 ebi ko commercial school ebi nso yemfie 9 yemfie miensa na sa woto aso fa secondary school no modia wo yemfie num ne wia o san ko emfie mienu a yefra no advanced level emfie num no edo ko ye nso hwa yefra no ordinary level enti wo wie sa emfie num na wa ko yemfie mienu a ye ne yefra no advanced level enti wo wie no nso a na fe ekwan bia wotimi ko ye universities ahodo wo a wantimi ampasi anase wo jehye ne se opesa wo de manifa baabia ebitimi ko training colleges ebitimi ko ye the friend of professional courses ni bi ebitimi ko soja for minimum service formers ni form 5 for na ebitimi e de kodi soja ebi ko police ani enuma ahodo
Owura Felix enso to ne bo ekyerɛkyerɛ yi sedie adisuasɛm no na esitie wo tetebrenim bra ne ye O level ani A level ebesi abɛɛfudie mu saa enhwehwɛmu yi ɛhyɛaseɛ na ɛtoa so efi bra na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nia odi kanje omeyi efi English abrofo ensem edisi ho ebre so bra na ode Educational Accelerated Development Plan enhyehyɛ no na odi di dwuma
ye hwɛ education system a ebe boa yen ni akasa fe de enye education system a yepe ti dwobo de no so baaye no 1970 for Jobo Education Review Committee no ono so hwes hu se see the JHS into ono the comprehensive junior secondary school by
eno wo wie mfie nsia no e wo primary school ene e bi no ko preparatory school e bi no ko aban school a engrofo friend saito no mi hu ni enti a friend sa vaso bi ene so edin no ene se nipa na ye mfie nsia wa ye krado a oko ni friend JHS enti oko JHS no so eno so ye mfie miensa enti se wo hwemu a kane no ka obekọ primary school mfie nsia na wako senior middle school mfie 9 enti wo de ka ho a eye mfie edu ansa na watimi akọ secondary school sese de wo wie mfie nsia na wo be ye mfie miensa e ka ho a mfie nkron watimi kọ senior high school enti kane no wo nyini ye kra ese wo di be mfie dunum ansa na watimi akọ senior high school enti ema mfie dodo a mmofra no edi fi primary school efa JSS eko secondary school no eswati kakra echi se emra na yewo tete ekwana yefaso ediko secondary school no ena sisi nso uba senior high school na eye nia shasi pa no senior secondary school no started in 1990. If say JHS no started 87 mo ye mfie miensa until 1990 and you started senior secondary school so I'm running for an SSS and also actually you say no your senior high school then another friend senior high school SHS and also okoko ye mfie miensa it is mekai pa one edi kan senior secondary school so no mo in 1993 first batch in AVA 1993 eti ema sa emfie dodo a odiko school ewo mfitiase eni mfimfin school na nsa na wawura university no esote
Audio Jungle.
So we education system pan there anka O level ni A level no for pre-tertiary that was the best if you say O level no oko secondary school they say 5 years into first year who see subjects ni nyina ebi ni is a better course we see English we see mathematics we see social studies we see integrated science Usia Greek, Usia PE is part because no so it's nobody, and Usia cultural studies, all subjects, and I say a current core subjects. Usia all the subjects on a timetable. It is science subjects over Usia. Sabina a broad-based education, and Usia in area all subjects are all curriculum. Now, what we are third year, no, now headmaster or the headmaster of the school, no, what show performance. No, I see, I say, the modern board science, integrated science, in a mathematics, in a BR computer, Sabreno, Nafe ICT, Nafe na neighbor. In the modern board was in Muti, he or she will be suited for science. The amount of science program to read. Who read the science program now? When I could read physics, chemistry, biology.
Audio Jungle.
Subjects na near training cognitive. Cognitive here. Subject are chrewa obekai. Na wadi ya juma. Dize English, mathematics is indispensable. In conta, brofo, sabini echere, social studies and as culture studies. Munina near efa ya obetima na ibisawa. But na American say na bibi say insanu duma die. It was unplayed. It kwapon na yes set is our committee no 1966 kwapon review committee no. Ohun say there be secondary schools na ho na nkɔfoɔ kɔ no nyinaa yɛ grammar type of secondary schools no nso ebi nso nya kwan nkɔ secondary schools no nti ɔno na ɔde continuation schools by
ɛni kasɛm a ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ saa adaneadane ne nhyehyɛe nyinaa ne yɛde gu akwan mu no yɛde gu akwan mu deɛ na mmom adeɛ a na ɛhia titiriw paa no ɛnom no yɛyi esi nkyɛn anaasɛ ebi a na yɛwerɛ fi yɛn ho ebu yɛni egu so
workshops ɛsɛ junior secondary school pia now so 1987 aban na ɛwɔ so saa mmerɛ no introduce yɛ no ɔka sɛ siyɛsi yɛ twɛn na yɛsisi workshop wɔ schools ni nyinaa wɔnhyɛ aseɛ da
na ha no yɛde ano na yɛde yɛ no ma bibie pepe bia wobɛtwerɛ na report ni nyinaa wɔ hɔ sei na ɔsɛ but so wokɔ school hɔ a it's no different from school I'm called the class 1 a classroom and competitive teacher never cast our brown woko na another teacher because also brown woko and kodane tifako until they make an say one more started DHS no na just a say a boa kodane moment to ye bibi yes we mesu bibi kwa wo bibi pocheometry na but then no it needs equipment say we hear machines out the way normal we hear labs we hear workshops without the laboratories and the workshop no and your two poor person and here into one year ne mfaso bi ama ho as far as I'm concerned
say yehwe enne adehyeam se de esi kwa kamea ye se emfa ahoto emrete memufo na emma yadesua nhyehyɛ no nso enhyɛ da enya ahoto nya nika fa se de omei adesuasem esi eko owura Anis Hafa enso ekyerɛ se yehwe yadesua nsɛm de a kamea ye se anko yi na ade a ebu abem.
Sometimes we even think that the situation is worse now than what it was in the beginning. Until we are back to square one. But it's not too late. So, we share, say, maybe I'm where I learned to be a teacher, in California. Schools are not much workshops or and as a so Casabi Krana, what are you Brofu, French, one more labs with the audiovisual equipment. Into Casana woman can what here. Now, because you see what they are doing with what they are saying. When you say stand up, you see someone standing up, move to the door. You see them moving to the door, pick something up. You can see them picking something up. And no bois, you see a language, you know.
Enkankasa woshedia efimu eba eneya enye chinyije isanse adisua pa enedi oman no ne fotro pa eba
mekoye training bi so wo Mamprose area cotton Sasawa is growing everywhere. But at the classroom, near copying those two poppers and forget. Meanwhile, we can use the cotton to produce textiles and then make our own underwear, our own singlet. Ladies, sabi ma chima, tampons near the we can produce all that. And then it's education, and it's all along it's all on science. If you look at tropical juices, make us a coconut, you defeat Thailand and some of their Netherlands and some of their bread. We can produce all these things. So the time has come where education has to be for production.
Enti se enfie miensa o se enfie nan o ni nyina ye enhyehyɛ ahodo a ye de beto akwan mu. Sabio e wo se de obi atimi sua de efa. Abro kasemo ye kano fast learners ene bia average learners obi o a wo kyerɛ na de a pɛ na wate ase obi so o a yesa onya mmere etimo kakra
si ehwe de ekoso nne ya aso ye betimi aka sɛ oman adesua enhyehyɛ sɛ de esi ikono ede oman ni futuro pa anasa ejapade pa no aso edi si hɔ ama oman na me ho dwumedi ebesan ba okwan mu na wɔtwe sɛ ka me ho e wo dwumedi